You all snap your fingers?
Yes.
Okay, every time you hear the word kicks, I need you to click twice.
Okay.
And every time you hear the word 66, you click your fingers twice.
Oh, you said
Can we-
twice before.
Okay,
No, how many
Is it
times?
kicks once?
Clicked?
twice.
It's always twice.
Twice, always twice.
Always twice.
Always
Both.
twice.
Oh, right.
And it's based on the song by the Rolling Stones, Route 66. Did anybody?
Yes,
Yeah.
I find
I've been there. I've got a photograph of it.
But instead
Well, it
of
was before
get
your
your
time.
kicks,
en route.
we will sing Get Your Kicks at age 66. Excellent. Ute likes it really hot, working in the sun a lot. Famous for wearing her little bikini, the color of a fresh zucchini. Get your kicks at age 66. Excellent.
I thought you were going to sing.
Well, nobody wants me to sing. I always get told to shut up. Gardening has been a great pastime, making marmalade with oranges and lime. Sewing was the next in line, producing outfits that are very fine. Get your kicks at age 66. Very good. Taking photos all over the place. You should have joined the big race. Japan has been her favorite land, and the Australian bush with lots of sand. Get your kicks at age 66. She cooks like a master, as seen on TV, only faster. Well, it had a rhyme, didn't it? She loves inviting and hosting, but finds the time for Facebook posting. Get your kicks en route? No, at age
66.
66. The latest thing has been the caravan. Not sure if Rolf is such a fan.
Yes, he is.
But she won't be stopped unless one of them popped. Get your kicks at age 66. Excellent. What's next on the list? Still shrouded in mist. Something to feed the soul? Perhaps a trip to the South Pole?
Oh, good. Now.
Get your kicks on Route 66? Question mark? Because you might end up on Route 66. Do you know where it is, Ute?
America.
America.
Yes.
So that's where you might get your kicks on Route 66.
666. Thank you very much. Dear. Very nice. Thank you. Danke.
Your rhyming.
Well, that's a rhyme.
Oh,
What
I know,
rhymes
no,
with
it's great.
bikini? Do you know anything that rhymes with bikini?
Zucchini.
Yeah, so nice.
Fettuccine.
Yes.
Right.
So it's going to be an
Oh, but
Italian
that would have
word.
led to
Monza.
fettuccine. Too much
Yeah, all right.
fettuccine, no.
Ulrike,
Teeny weeny.
you
No,
could have
teeny weeny.
It's a
Teeny weeny.
bit It's a
Yellow
bit
polka dot
teeny
bikini.
weeny.
bathing suit and then she looks like ripe fruit or
You're going to do the next one of rhyming. I know.
Well, he's related to me. Our grandfather loved the rhyming thing. That's where we get it from.